I decided to make a flywheel for an engine, no specific size, just gonna go with the flow. Gonna make it out of brass. Then I'm hoping to progressively make an engine itself. Now, obviously I'm a new beginner at this thing, so be patient with me because it will take me a long time to make it. Here we go. So okay guys, this is what I've learned. I thought this is the only diameter I could put in my lathe. It's just over 1.5 inch, but then this was the chuck I was using, the jaws I was using for this one, and basically I was pulling it. How does it go? Basically I was holding it in the jaws here. Apparently I couldn't hold anything in there. Yeah. So I was holding it in the jaws here, and it only held this diameter. But now I was told by the machinist here to use these jaws, turn it round, and these are the jaws that can hold outside. So I've got a bigger diameter brass in there now, which is what I wanted, the brass. So I'm attempting to make out of this brass the flywheel, and we'll see where we go from that. Also guys, I've marked up these dots here because apparently these got to go in the correct number. So I've got 1, 2 and 3 here, and these got markings inside, so when I take them out, put the first one in first, but when I take it off, third one will come off first, second, and then the first, and reverse order to put them in. I'm in a learning stage guys, thanks very much. So I have a shaft here which is 5.93. Okay, so I'm going to drill a hole just a little bit much smaller than that, if I can find something. This is 5.91. 5.91, so I'm going to drill a hole for that. But what I can't do with my flywheel is make recess in there, because I don't have that tool, and I don't have a reamer to really make these things work, so I'm going to do the best I can. What I'm thinking of doing is turning that down and also putting holes in there just to make a little difference. That's what I can do. I'm going to take this out of here, put it to about 17 mil. Once I've done the face on this, then I'll turn it around the other side. Okay guys, so I put this tool so far out, and I'm hoping, it's just these two are gripping it, I'm hoping it'll be alright. I'll put some packing behind there, to bring it out further than this. Anyway, when I do this, it should reach about there in theory, so we'll see how that goes. That's dangerously close there, I don't like it, but I think it should be alright in theory. Okay guys, run across a problem here. Even though that's there, I can't go any further back with this. So I'm going to have to do it in 2 halves to do the face on there. Sad. So what's happened guys, is that I had to bring this out a little bit to get there, and I thought I had to lengthen this. I thought I had to lengthen this right out there, but this jig wouldn't go right back. So I put it back to its normality, and I thought I had to cut it in 2 pieces, but it didn't. And here we are. So this is okay now, in theory. So I'll show you. Right. This is just coming out slightly from there, so this can pass and just go straight down there. Still got a bit there. I'm just going to do it one more time, make it smoother. I think I'm a bit rough here, so I need to do a bit more. There you go, guys. I got a reasonable finish, not 100% beautiful, but it's okay. It'll do me. So I'm just gonna take a little bit off here now, see what happens. So guys, what I'm finding that this is not smooth, a bit rough. Our machinist said because of vibration, this is not mounted on anything good, solid, so vibration. So I took this very slow now, and still a bit rough there, but I don't know, sort something out. Okay guys, I'm back again, and I've adjusted a few things. I put rubber grommets under the lathe here, and it's come out a bit more smoother, so I'm happy with this finish here. So I can't, like I said before, I can't do the recess in there because I haven't got the tool, so I'm going to have to leave it like that and probably put holes in. I'm going to cut that to about there and do the other side, clean it up like this, see what we can do from there. I tried to put a groove there, hopefully it's okay, not 100% sure. It's just to see if I could run something with it. If not, doesn't matter. Alright guys, the machinist here has given me a different tool here, and I think I'm going to just try it on this brass here, just to cut this off here. Just for trial and error, to be honest with you. But he said it should give me a better finish and a better cut. So here we go. Wow guys, that is so much better and so much smoother. I'm amazed at this tool. That's the tool I need to use for all my other stuff. So guys, this is cut off here, nice and neatly. What I want to do here is maybe cut off so much of it, come round to the centre, so we can put a hole and a screw there. So I'm going to just, about 1/4 of an inch, take it off. Well guys, I've got it to that. I think I'm going to leave it to there. It is pretty smooth there anyway. I'm going to face this off a little bit, and my hole hasn't come through, so I'll have to drill a hole to make it right, comes right through. I'll face this off, but not with this tool. I'll use my tool here to face that off. So guys, this is it. I'm quite happy with that. You can see. Just this is not bad either. There. I'm gonna drill, make sure the holes drill through. And I'm gonna drill about 4 holes to prettify it. There you go guys, this is it. So I took it out the lathe. The groove is nice. Okay guys, so I want to drill holes, but obviously I'm not 100% sure of the markings on there. So what I've done is I printed this off and I put this in the center and drill the holes accordingly to that. Well, this is it, guys. It's done now. I like it. What I'm going to do is obviously drill a hole and tap this hole, so then this rod can fit in there nicely.
TikTok canals.
So guys, here is the finished product of the engine there. I've just got to put a grub screw in there. As you see me tap the hole out there. So just going to put a grub screw in, but that's it really. It's a little bit scratched up here and there, so I've been holding it in the vise. But otherwise it's fine. I might just smooth that out a bit, to be honest with you. So guys, forever I've been wondering how to change this to 30-degree angle. And I had to phone the company up to find out. Basically, move this back, and you got two Allen keys here. You loosen them, and you can change this down to a degree angle. Okay. So yeah, we're learning something every day. Okay, guys, I'll just give it another little cut there, but it's come out so smooth. It's unbelievable. That's beautiful. I like it. So yeah, so this is it now. I've done one more cut. It looks beautiful. I'm going to leave it there. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, thumbs up, and any advice, well appreciated. Thank you.